Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. Here this question is asking to find the area between two curves. Now these are the two equations we have, and in order to solve this problem we had to use this equation, that is a is equivalent to integral a to b and top function minus bottom function dx, right? Now in order to find out which is going to be top, which is going to be bottom, we had to draw the graph and see, right? Now let's go ahead and draw the graph. First we have this y is equal to 9 minus x square. This is a parabola opening down, and this is x minus 1. This is going to be a straight line. Now let's start with the parabola. Since this is 9 right here, this means this is shifted 9 units to the upper direction. So this means we have to start this one from 9. So this is starting from 9 and going down, right? Now in order to find this interception, x-intercepts, we have to equate this one to 0. 9 minus x square equal to 0, and if you expand this one, this is going to be 3 minus x, 3 plus x is equal to 0. From this one you know that the x is going to be equal to plus or minus 3. So we know that this interval is going to be from negative 3 to positive 3, right? Now let's draw this diagram. This is x minus 1. So this is going to cross this 1 right here. So let's say this is 1. So this is going to cross this 1. And this is going to be a linear straight line. So this is going to go like this. But the region we are interested in is this region, negative 2 to positive 1. So let's say this is negative 2. And if you draw the line right here, this is going to be the region we are trying to find. Let's shade this one with a different color. So let's see how we can calculate this. So in order to do this, we are going to use this equation. Now here the top function is this parabola and bottom function is this line right here. So f of x is going to be this 9 minus x square, and bottom function is this one, g of x. Now let's go ahead and plug it in this equation. Here a is going to be integral, the limits of integration is negative 2 to 1. So this is going from negative 2 to 1, and the first function, that's going to be upper function, that is 9 minus x square, minus the bottom function, that is x minus 1 dx. Now let's simplify this one. This is going to be integral negative 2 to 1, and this one is going to be 9 minus x square minus x, minus minus make this one plus, so this is going to be plus 1. Now if you add this 1 with 9, that's going to give you 10. So here we are going to have negative 2 to 1, 10 minus x square minus x. Now let's do the integration. If we integrate this one, that's going to give us 10x minus x cubed divided by 3 minus x square divided by 2, going from negative 2 to 1. Now let's plug 1 first. If we plug 1, this is going to give us 10 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, and then minus, and if you plug negative 2 for this one, this is going to be 10 minus negative 2 cubed is going to be negative 8. So this is going to be negative 8 divided by 3, and then negative 2 square is going to be positive 4. So this is going to be positive 4 over 2. Now let's simplify. Let's continue this one right here. So here we are going to have 10 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 minus 10, because minus 10 right here, minus minus plus 8 over 3, and this minus make this one again, this one minus. So this is going to be minus 8 over 3, and this one minus, minus minus make this one plus. So this is going to be plus 4 over 2. Now let's add like terms together. And there's a mistake. This one should be 10x. This is 10x. If we integrate this one, this is going to give us 10x. So 10x means 10 times 1 is going to be 10. 10 times negative 2 is going to be 20. So this one is going to be negative 20. So that one makes this positive 20. So here we are going to have positive 20. Now let's add this together. Here we are going to have positive 20 plus 10. That's going to give us positive 30, right? And negative 1 over 3 minus 8 over 3 give us minus 9 over 3. And this minus 1 over 2 plus 4 over 2, that gives us plus 3 over 2. Now if we take 6 as our common denominator, this is going to be 180 right here. And this is multiplied by 2, that's going to give us 18. And this is multiplied by 3, that's going to give us 9. So negative 18 plus 9 is going to be negative 9. Negative 9 plus 180 is going to be 171. So 171 over 6 is going to be the final answer. So the area of this shaded region is going to be 171 over 6. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.